My brothers and sisters, we spend much of our lives searching for love. We look for it in people, in possessions, in positions of power. We chase it in places where it cannot be found. And when we do not find it, we say that love is missing, that love is gone. But the truth is, love was never lost. There is a Setswana proverb that says, Motho, itsiwe naga. A person cannot be fully known except the land. The land, naga, can be known. If you wait, if you watch the seasons, if you listen to the rain, the soil will tell you its story. The land is patient with us. It reveals itself in stillness. But a person changes. A person can laugh in the morning and cry at night. A person carries seasons inside their heart that no one else can see. This is why the proverb says, you cannot know a person. You cannot predict them like you predict the land. This is where stillness becomes our teacher. Because when we stop trying to control people, when we stop chasing after love from others, we begin to understand that love is not outside, it is within. Love is not a thing to be bought or borrowed. Love is not something to be traded in the markets of the world. Love is God, and God is love. When you truly love, you are walking with God. When you live in love, you live in the truth. And when we say Africa is love, we are not being poetic. We are remembering what has always been true. Ubuntu, Botho, the spirit of community, the land that feeds us, the sun, Ramasedi, that shines equally on us all. So how do we live this truth? Number 1, be still. Stop running. Stop chasing. Sit in the sunlight. Listen to your breath. Let the heart calm down. Number 2, love where you are. Do not wait for perfect people or perfect conditions. Love the land. Love your people. Love yourself. Number 3, remember Africa's essence. Our ancestors knew this. Life without love is emptiness. Life without love is slavery to the wrong gods. When you live in love, you stop searching for it in the wrong places. You find that it has always been with you all along. In God, in Africa, in yourself. My brothers and sisters, hear this truth. God is love. Africa is love. When you rest in that, peace will follow you. Ramasedi. We give thanks.